Hello everyone, this is Nicholas Peters again. Today I'm going to assemble the bolt for a Marlin Model 93. Now this one's a little unique because it's a two-piece firing pin, okay? Front half, back half. They go in separately. It's two pins, firing pin spring. Obviously got the bolt. So go ahead and we'll assemble this real quick. I'm just going to put a light coat of oil on everything here, just to give it that light coat of oil. The bolt was completely stripped down and cleaned thoroughly, inspected. Had to get a new firing pin. So when we go to install this, the firing pin spring here, we can see them. There's a little lip there that sits inside this channel here on the front firing pin. And when we go to install it, notice there is a channel here on the firing pin. It lines up with the hole for your pin on the bolt. So when you go to put this in, you want to make sure that you're lined up. Everything's going to go in square. If it's not 100%, it's okay. You can adjust it once it's in there completely. I like to use a small punch to push this all the way forward. That way I'm not pushing on the spring itself. I'm not 100%, so that's a little flathead screwdriver, and you can actually get on the firing pin and flatten it back out inside that groove there. So with that installed, now I can put the front pin in. Tap it down. Make sure you're using the right size punch. Make sure you're flush with the top of that, because that will ride inside the receiver and it will catch. Now when we install the back half of the firing pin, same thing. It's got a channel here where your pin sits, and it's flat on this side where the spring rides on. You want to set it in place, and again use a small punch. Going to push that spring down out of the way so you can get the back half of the firing pin in place. And then once that's in, you can go ahead and put in the pin for the rear firing pin. Make sure you use the right size punch. Everything good, taps coming down in there. One more. Level that out. Good. Now you should be able to move this firing pin. You can use a small screwdriver or small pick, small punch, whatever. You can actually get on the firing pin in there and you should be able to push it back. Yeah. Then push that back forward. I'm not sure if we can see that. Okay. I'll just use my finger, push it down, just like that. Now that it's reassembled, ready to go. Okay, it's a beautiful thing. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Leave any questions, comments below, and I will get back to you. Thank you.